In today's video, I'll be walking you through how to set up WordPress on your laptop. We're going to be using XAMPP to set up a local environment on your laptop so you can host websites on your laptop just as you would on a hosting server. First thing we're going to do is we're going to search for XAMPP. Yeah, this place, XAMPP. So this is for Windows. Let's download it. Okay. Progress download then. The download will start shortly. Okay, we're saving it to, let's save it to desktop. Yeah, so this is the first thing you're going to download, the XAMPP XAMPP software. So let's wait for that to happen. Alright, it's done. So let's go to our file explorer. Oh no, not 3D, desktop. So you can just double click on it. Wait, okay. Let's click yes. Next. Yes, we want everything. Next. Folder, yes. Next, and okay, right. We're installing now. Tick the box. Then untick, do you want to start the control panel now? Click on finish. Alright, XAMPP is done installing. Now that we have XAMPP, we go to start menu. This is our XAMPP, so just right click, run as administrator. Alright, so you have this panel. To work on your WordPress, you need two major things, which is your Apache and MySQL. These are the two things you need to run WordPress. So start your Apache, start MySQL, go to config, not allow access, yes, allow the access, change language, log options, Apache. So auto start, click on Apache, click on MySQL. This means when you open up XAMPP, you don't need to click on start and start. It starts up these two guys by themselves. So save and you're good to go. Alright, now that we have XAMPP running, we need to download WordPress. So go to wordpress.org. Oh no, not plugins, wordpress.org alone. Click on get WordPress. Download WordPress 6.9. Alright, where do we want to save it? Let's save it on desktop. Alright, WordPress is done downloading. Let's go to File Explorer again. We're going to the desktop. So this is WordPress. What we need to do now is extract this WordPress folder. So if you use WinRAR, you would have these options, but if you don't, you just see the simple extract button. So extract here. Alright, now you have your WordPress folder. So use Ctrl X to cut this. Now we're going to move it into the XAMPP folder, and this is how you get there. You go to your local disk, scroll down to XAMPP, double click on XAMPP. You have all these folders. You would have to look for htdocs. This is htdocs. So now you can paste your WordPress folder here. Alright, so what you need to do now is rename this folder to the name of your website. So the name of my website that I'll be using in this tutorial would be Mosh Bush. So just rename it like this and then leave this. So now you come back to your browser and then you go to localhost. Alright, now that you have your folder, the name of your website, that's Moshbush, you need to create an SQL database for this. It's simple, trust me. So just go to localhost slash php my admin. Then just come to this place, click on new, then add your database name. So Moshbush DB. That's my database. So click on create, and then you have a database. So alright, now that you've created the database Moshbush DB, you need to open a new tab, go to localhost, then type in the title of your folder. In my case is Moshbush, that's the name of my website. Enter. Alright, so choose your language. Let's go. Then database name, that will be the database name here, Moshbush DB. Moshbush DB. For username, root, this is pertaining your database. There is no database password. Database host is localhost. Table prefix, change it to something uncommon because every WordPress website has a default WP table prefix. For security reasons, use something else. I'm going to use a glass of wine. Then submit. Alright, sparkly. You've made it through this part of the installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you're ready, time now to run the installation. So this database is now connected with your website folder, which is this folder. Now you're good to go. So you can close this up, run the installation. Alright, now we're coming to the website details. So what's the name of your site? Mine is Moshbush. Username, let's just use Mosh. Password, Mosh. So this is the username and password you're going to use to log in to the website when you want to work on it. Mosh. Confirm password. Yes. Oh, it's weak. Yeah, no problem. Since it's a local website, it doesn't have to be a strong password. Is if you're hosting online that you need to be very serious about passwords and usernames. So email moshashindele@gmail.com. Search engine visibility, you can leave this. So install WordPress. This is your login page. Next time, you just need to visit localhost slash moshbush slash wp-admin, and then it takes you to the login page. Let's log in. So remember the username Mosh, then Mosh. So you could click on remember me if you want your browser to store your password, but if you don't, just uncheck it. Login. Alright, now we are in our website dashboard, and this is how you install XAMPP. You install WordPress and create websites locally on your laptop. So if you want to create another website, what you need to do is go back to desktop, this WordPress archive, extract it, you need to rename this to the name of any website you want. So maybe shoe store. Then cut this, go to your local disk, go to XAMPP, go to htdocs, and you paste it here. And then after this, you just come to localhost, php-admin, create a new database for that. So one database for one website, shoe store db, create, and then you go to localhost shoe store. Then you go over the process again like we did for the first one, for the very first one. Alright, so language, we'll go for English. Let's go. Your database name, that would be shoe store db. Your username, root. Password blank, this blank, leave it like this. Then WP, change it to something. Shoes. Then submit. Run installation. And you're good to go. So your website's title, shoe store. Username, mush. Password, mush, shoes. Confirm use of weak password, yes, by email. Here, install WordPress. Now we're done. So click on login. Remember the username mush or password mush shoes. Login. And now we're in the website. So this is the shoe store website. This is Mushbush website. So if you want to create another website, follow these steps again. You can have as many websites as you want. So this is how to create a WordPress website on your local system.